Place 4 tea light candles into a muffin tray. Light all the candles, then set a pot filled with water on top and cover it with a lid. It's a brilliant way to heat water without a stove. Perfect when you don't have access to one or during a power outage. You'll be surprised how simple and effective this solution is. Reduce your heating bills by 50%. These tricks will help keep the warmth inside your home. Rub petroleum jelly on window seals to improve flexibility and trap heat. First, clean and dry them, then apply a thin layer. It's a simple way to lower your heating costs. Buy a thermal blanket from a pharmacy and stick it to your windows. This cheap trick keeps the warmth inside. Measure the glass, cut the blanket, and stick it gold side down on a damp window. The foil reflects heat back into the room. Start by cleaning your radiators. Turn them to the highest setting. Mix 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent with half a liter of warm water. Place a bowl under the radiator and pour the solution through it. You'll see the dust come out, improving efficiency. Stick bubble wrap to your windows using just water. It will attach instantly and provide extra insulation. If cold air seeps through the window frame, switch it to winter mode. Adjust the screw in the window frame so the smaller dot faces the side. If your frame lacks this screw, use aluminum foil instead. Line the entire frame with foil and close the window. This instantly seals gaps and keeps the cold out. All you need is aluminum foil, and your bills will be lower. Aluminum foil is mostly associated with the kitchen, but its uses go far beyond that. Take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a section, divide it into 2 parts, place it on the window frame, and press gently. Once it's in place, close the window to ensure the foil adheres tightly. It's a simple way to improve insulation. Cover your windows with plastic wrap. This simple trick gives it a whole new purpose in your home. While it's commonly used for food storage, plastic wrap can also serve other functions. Take a roll of plastic wrap and spread it across the entire surface of the window pane from the inside. Make sure the wrap is evenly stretched to avoid wrinkles and maintain a neat appearance. Secure the edges of the wrap with adhesive tape. Start at the top edge of the window, carefully taping it to the frame, then move to the bottom and sides. The wrap should be taut, but be careful not to overstretch and damage it. This setup has several benefits. It creates an additional insulating layer on the glass, reducing heat loss from your home. Windows are one of the primary areas where heat escapes during winter, and the wrap helps block the flow of cold air. This can also prevent unsightly condensation and moisture, which often lead to mold growth. Once installed, the difference is noticeable almost immediately. It's a clever way to repurpose something you already have at home for a completely new use. Place a flashlight into a large water bottle filled halfway. Use tape to attach it firmly. Make sure it's stable and secure. This setup creates a homemade light source that works perfectly when the power goes out or when you're traveling and need more soft, diffused light. Something so simple yet so effective. Give it a try next time you get the chance. Snow removal takes me just a few minutes. I no longer have to struggle with an icy sidewalk every morning. I found a method that effectively melts ice and prevents it from forming again. It's simple, inexpensive, and works instantly. Instead of using salt, which can damage surfaces and plants around the house, I use a homemade solution that works even in the coldest days. First, boil a liter of water in a kettle. Once it reaches boiling point, pour it into a large container. Then add 30 milliliters of dish soap, which helps reduce ice adhesion and makes it easier to remove. Next, add 60 milliliters of vinegar and the same amount of alcohol. Vinegar acts as a natural antifreeze, while alcohol speeds up the ice melting process. Mix everything well. Then transfer the solution into a spray bottle. Now simply spray the icy surface, and the ice will start melting almost immediately. If there is a thicker layer of ice, you can reapply the solution to speed up the process. Additionally, using this mixture prevents re-icing, so you won't have to worry about a slippery sidewalk every day. Now all my neighbors are using this trick. Take this with you from home and spray the soles of your shoes. I don't leave the house in winter without it. Apply it thoroughly so the entire sole is covered. A slightly sticky layer forms, helping the sole grip slippery surfaces better. All you need is regular hairspray. It's an ideal solution for icy and wet sidewalks, especially when you need to head out right away. Remember to reapply it regularly, as the hairspray layer gradually wears off while walking. There's also another method that's just as simple and quick. Use adhesive bandages. Only 2 are enough. Stick them to the soles of your shoes, but the way you apply them matters. Placing them in an X shape creates an effective anti-slip layer. Do the same with the other shoe. Remember to replace the bandages when they wear out or peel off. Just like the hairspray, the effect isn't permanent, but it works very well and is more than enough for a short walk or getting to work safely. Spray this on your winter hat, and your problem will disappear for good. I always carry it in my bag during winter. Static hair is a common issue, especially in the colder months. Wearing a hat combined with dry air makes the situation even more frustrating. The level of hair static depends on its structure, weather conditions, and the materials in our clothing. After removing your hat, your hair stands on end and flies in every direction. A good solution to reduce static is to use an anti-static spray. You can buy one in stores or make it at home in just a few minutes. Take a clean spray bottle, fill it about 3/4 full with distilled water, which acts as the base of the mixture. Then, add vinegar to fill the remaining space, as it has anti-static properties and helps balance pH. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Glycerin helps keep hair less dry and less prone to building up static, effectively reducing the problem. Shake well before use, then spray your hat. Your hair will stop electrifying, and you can enjoy the winter weather without worrying about your hairstyle. You've been using your radiator wrong your whole life, and it can seriously cost you money. A lot of people turn the heating on and immediately set the dial to 5. They think the radiator will warm up faster that way. But that's not true. No matter what number you choose, the radiator won't heat the room any quicker. That's why, if you're wondering how to set your radiator without overpaying and how to lower your heating bills, you need to understand one important thing. Many people don't actually know what the numbers on the radiator mean. The snowflake symbol is frost protection mode. The radiator will only switch on if the temperature drops very low. 1 is around 55 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 is about 61 degrees. 3 is around 68 degrees, which is usually the most comfortable temperature at home. 4 is about 75 degrees, and 5 can be as high as 82 degrees. People often assume the higher the number, the faster it gets warm. But this dial doesn't speed up heating, it only sets the target room temperature. And that's why setting it to 5 is often a huge mistake. The radiator will keep running until the room feels almost like a sauna. In most homes, nobody needs it that hot, and your bills can shoot up fast. If you want warmth without wasting money, 3 is more than enough. Place the insulating foil against the radiator. Trim any excess if it's too big, then slide it between the radiator and the wall so it fits tightly. And that's it. The heat emitted by the radiator is trapped by the foil and reflected back into the room. This helps you save on heating bills while enjoying comfortable warmth throughout the house.